We are going to finish up week 6 homework by working the 5th problem in Connect, and it's equivalent to exercise 12-3 on page 556 in your book. This problem is about business processes. So we talk so much about financial performance metrics, but it's really important that our business processes be efficient, right? That we're getting things done on time and not standing around paying people to stand around and wait and things like that. So there are measures we can use to see how performance is going. Now, I think a lot of this is going to come into play more in a management class than this class, but these are metrics. They are something we can measure. So as accountants, we can expect to measure these kinds of metrics. So let's go over to Connect and look at the 5th homework problem from week 6, which is equivalent to exercise 12-3. So I will share my screen with you. And there we go. And here's the problem. So we've got a company that would like to reduce the amount of time between placing an order and when it's shipped. So we know about how much time they spend, right? So inspection time, 1/3 of a day, wait time, 14 days, process time, 2.7, move time, 1.0, queue time, 5.0. All right. So with these numbers, we can calculate some various operating performance measures, like what it asks for, right? Throughput time, MCE, all these different things. So we're going to calculate this and come up with some answers and see how efficiently we're doing our cycle. Looks like an awful lot of wait time. So anyway, let's bring up our notepad so I can calculate this for you. And of course, we're going to use these numbers from here. All right, so throughput time. So the whole throughput time is process time plus inspection time plus move time plus queue time. All right, so I can just get those times, right? Process time is 2.7 days. And inspection time is 0.3 days. And move time is 1.0 day. And queue time is 5 days. So if you add those up, that totals 9 days. So that's our throughput time. That's the time we're doing something to the stuff. So not counting waiting time. All right, so 9 days is our throughput time. Manufacturing cycle efficiency. All right, so let's calculate that. So manufacturing cycle efficiency is value added time divided by throughput time. So now we have our throughput time, we know it's 9. The only value added time is process time, right? Because these other things, inspecting, waiting, moving, queuing, that's not adding value to our product. It's when we're actually processing it that adds value. So our value added time is 2.7 days divided by that throughput time we just calculated, which was 9 days. So 2.7 divided by 9 days is equal to 0.30, right? Or same thing as 30%, right? So what that's telling us then is, right, 2.7 is 30% of 9, right? And so 30% of our time is being spent on value-added activities. All right, so manufacturing cycle efficiency is 30%. So that means our non-value added time, of course, is right the difference between 100%. I don't know, I don't need to see that. But the difference between 100% and 30%, of course, is equal to 70%. Right, so 70% of our time in this cycle is spent on non-value added stuff. So I don't know, that seems not too good. All right, so manufacturing cycle 30%, or 30% efficient, 70% not efficient. Okay, so the next thing it asks us to calculate is delivery cycle time. So basically, that's our throughput time, which is everything except wait time. So now we add our wait time, right? So we've got wait time, which is 14, plus our throughput time, which is 9. So that's 23. We got 23 days delivery cycle, right? From when you order it to when you get it, that's 23 days. All right. So there's 1 through 4 answered. It's not looking great. If by using lean production, all queue time is eliminated, what will be the new manufacturing cycle efficiency? So we're going to eliminate 5 days. All right, so that's great. In other words, so you're using lean manufacturing and you're cutting stuff out. So what will we get if we do that? How more? What will be? Well, we'll definitely be better than 30. All right. So value added time divided by throughput time. So that's, or same value added time, right? 2.7 divided by, well, let me calculate my new throughput time. So my old throughput time was 9, right? So 9 minus 5 equals 4, right? So 2.7, right, divided by 4 equals 0.675, 67.5%. All right, so if we cut out the queue time by changing our process and going lean, we will change our manufacturing cycle efficiency to 67.5%. So we're going to more than double our manufacturing cycle efficiency. So that is great. I'm going to assume we probably want to do that. It'd be nice to cut out some of that wait time too. I don't know what all is involved in that. Obviously, I don't know anything about the process, but be good. The more fast you can get stuff out, the more stuff you can make, assuming you can sell it all. All right, so that's the last problem in this week's homework. So, and of course, this is just optional homework. There's no points associated with it. So, if you feel like you got enough benefit just watching the video, great. Just do that. There's no points in working it. Okay, well, good luck with the week.